class. So here is a small tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. Now, whenever you are given a Flipgrid assignment, so it might be to record some kind of response onto Flipgrid when it comes to answering a question on, some cases, different things with geometry, things with Algebra 2 or quantitative literacy. Maybe something to do with different kinds of triangles or polygons or anything with an equation or a function. Well, here's how you do this. You'll be given either a link or a code. Now, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the code. So if you go up here to info.flipgrid.com, and then up here in this little box here, I'm going to go ahead and type in the code that I've been given to here. Okay, once that code is in, you press enter, and it will take you to a Flipgrid topic. And this one is going to be, let's see, once I'm on the screen here. Okay, now once you're up here, you can see this some of the triangles topic right here on November 19th, a little while ago. But you can do this. You can record a response on some of the triangles, and right here, this screen here is what it would be on. Now, you can do a few things here. You can click that and begin it. Now, see how it says redo or next. Either redo as in do it again, or next as in the next topic, whatever one you want to do. Now, if I go here to options, I've got some options here on using a mirror video, so I can do the same thing I'm doing here, which is a reflection, or opposite thing. Okay, I would go with the mirror one just to be a little bit more on the side you usually have whenever you are doing things on your phone. Now, if you already have a pre-recorded response for some of the triangles, you can upload a clip right here. You can also, let's say someone's walking behind you and they're saying all kinds of crazy stuff. You can mute it, and then you can't hear me. Now you can. Now you can also record your own screen. Okay, so that means this. If I hit record screen, that means start recording screen, start screen recording, pardon me. And this actually records what you have on your desktop screen in the first place. Okay, and now when this is happening, see how I can do that? I can go to a different page, all that kind of thing. But I can also stop recording, and it saves it for me right here. Okay. Now, and that's the recording of that screen. Now, if I want to do the portion over here, that's just playback. Okay. Now, one thing I did to get back to this screen is that I hit the add more button, so I can add more video to it. Now, if I also go over here to the effects, I can use some tools right here. I can change my frame and make it a different kind of a frame, breaking news frame. I can also choose effects, like the frames again, which is right here on frames, and I can do something like a little screen. I can also go to frames again and do, I don't know, glitter. I can do all kinds of stuff right here. So you make it kind of interesting and creative and festive. Now, when you're done with that, I'm going to go back to a clear frame right here. I can also hit draw. So if I want to, I can actually draw on, I'm going to go ahead and use blue here. I can draw on the screen, and I can draw an equation. I can draw out a polygon. I can draw out a table, whatever it might be. And if you want to undo that, look over here to undo. It takes off that drawing. Now, if I want to go up here, maybe I accidentally forget my topic. If it might be over parallelograms, might be over something like the coordinate plane. If I go up here to the very top right, I can click on that, and it reminds me what my actual topic is. Okay, click on it again, it goes away. Now, this is for notes here, and you have to use that. You can if you want to. You can also look at the thickness of what you're drawing, all that. Maybe change it to a green, make it more thick, that kind of thing. But this is for recording responses you have for discussions, for answers on certain things. Okay, I'm going to undo those and back down again. Effects. Sorry, draw again. Okay, you got text you can add. So if you wanted to add something right here to your screen, okay. I can always undo that, change the color if I wanted to, do it red, okay, and not down. So you can use this for your responses. You can use it for text. You can use it for anything you need to when you're answering a question based on a prompt. All right. And that is that. When I'm done with this, I hit my record button again. Sorry. I can redo it if I want to, but don't delete it. Okay. And I'm recording again. And all of your responses are recorded into Flipgrid on your account. Make sure you use your school account. All right. Hope you enjoyed this. Have at it.